screen. It is visible to you? Okay. So now look, let's have a look here, students. This is your screen and this is your, you can see image of this plane, you can see. So this is your real image, the image which obtained on the screen. This is reflection here. Not the shape of the candle, the shape of the light I am saying. This look, because light, we are emitting light, na? If we will concentrate, you are able to see the candle. Okay? Because of the, means in your eyes our lenses are there. But we are just telling you that, because now here you cannot see from where light is inserting and where, on which object light is emitting. So here I am showing you that I lighted this candle. So from this, light is falling on this object, and what we observe that this image is formed on the screen. So this is your real image. But when I am taking this plane mirror, no image is there. Is there? Same image is there? No image is there. See? It's not there. I am moving, but still it is not there. Where? It is like this. Come closer. It is like this.
Man, like when we are taking mirror in sunlight, sunlight. That is plane mirror.
It is not 1 minute. I will show you. First understand.
Yes.
Scattering, light is scattering, reflection will be occur. It's not like that. Reflection will not be there. Reflection will be. Reflection will occur. But here I am telling you on the basis of the screen.
And what about plane mirror when we are taking?
Plane mirror. 1 minute. Yeah, let me complete. First you understood this, that yes, image is not formed on the screen. Image is formed here on the plane mirror.
Behind me.
Yes? Come. According to me it is visible. You come closer. Yes? So you got. But means if so this is what your virtual image means. Your image, when image is formed behind the mirror, that means we are saying virtual image, and when image is formed on the side of the mirror. Okay, like you can see here. Yes, come. When you can see, this is not a perfect screen actually, but on theater, or you can say in whole camera, if you will keep a butter paper, then you will see whole image. You will see whole image of this candle also. So this is the difference. Now, yes, so this is the difference between real and virtual image. It's not like the reflection is everywhere.
What about plane mirror when we are taking sunlight?
So obviously it will reflect. Light will come on this. It will reflect. Okay. It will form behind that image. How image will form? The image of any object. You are not getting the things. You are combining the things. One light rays are coming and hitting on the plane surface. Okay, it will reflect it back. One object is there. Now, from that object, light is coming and hitting to the plane mirror or any mirror. Then the image of that object only will form. Sun. It's not like that. Sun image. You will place a plane mirror like this. Light rays come and hit, and I will see the sun. Huh? Yes, from luminance you can easily observe that yes. Fine. So this is the normal concept of real and virtual image, that real image is obtained on the screen and virtual image do not obtain on the screen. So these two things done. Now we have position of the image by using a plane mirror. First of all, you know that, or some characteristic you know of the plane mirror, that are here, right? Some characteristics that you already know about the plane mirrors. Are you saying something here? If you have any confusion, you can ask. Okay. Fine. So yes, Ilma? Yes. Why your face is like this? Yes. Now it's fine. So yes, we are talking about the first characteristics so that we can understand the position of the image. Now we will form the image according to the plane mirror. So first is what? Plane mirror form always virtual and
Erect.
Virtual and erect. And size of the object is same as. It's not like that candle is this much big, so on the mirror you will see this less candle. It's not like that. Okay. Same distance. Erect.
It is Sida? Yes. Or
Erect is upward and inverted is downward. This is your erect, this is your downward. You can understand from the coordinate axis. You have 4 axes. If it is lying above x-axis, any object is lying above x-axis, then it is known as erect, and if it is lying below of x-axis, then it will consider as inverted. So image of this candle, it is same, and means if it is I kept here, so you can see the image very close, but if I am increasing, so that you can see that there also distance is decreasing. Okay, there also distance is decreasing. Means same size and same object. So this the characteristic size of the image is equals to size of object, and they are x means placed at same distance. Okay, distance is also same. Distance of image is equals to distance of object from the surface, from the plane surface. Now let's see the position image of a point object by a plane mirror. Means you have a point object can any point object like laser. You can see laser is actually means if you are doing any experiment by using laser, so you will say okay, one ray is transmitting, one ray is coming from that laser, but it is not like that. They are beam of rays. Okay, they are beam of rays. So yes, let's take this is the plane mirror. So also stop working.
Yes, ma'am, whatever you are writing on board, so it's not visible in this. So you should, I think so, just put some ink in it.
I will say to Khala. So is that enough in this? Yes, point object. Can take a laser. Okay? So point object is there. There are many ways to make the ray diagram. So let me see the distance so that I will make perfect diagram. Okay. So from here, light will incident. You can say light will incident here. Okay, light will incident here, and then it will reflect it. I'm making here incidence. Okay, normal. Angle I is equals to angle R. Done. One thing done. But it's not like that. From an object, I told you that laser is also having a beam of rays. It's not a single ray. So I am following one more here ray. Okay, light will reflect, and then it will reflect like this. Can you see how I am making?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to make roughly diagrams like this, means just look that it will meet or not your point. So like this, it is also your following angle laws of reflection done. So now in plane mirror we know that the object is formed behind the mirror. So I will extend my reflected ray. Again it's not moving. If you will take means ruler and you will measure the distance, then it will come on that same point. So this is your image or dish, object image, and then you can see here that it is of same distance. Okay, they are at same distance. So you will say that ma'am, how we know that we will means light only can reflect like this? This is the only way. No, this is not like that. It depends on you how you will make. But you have to follow the laws of reflection. Okay, like I made, like in your book, it is not like this. In your book, it is given in a different way. I will show you. You have in books. You can see on page number 120. It is in different way. Light falls here. Okay, two light rays fall, one here and one here. Then we got the image. Doesn't matter because we don't know the exact way. We don't know the exact way on which where light is falling from on this object. Like this object is there, so we don't know exactly because this is not a point object. Okay, but light will fall on from various sides, and the result that it will incident on different ways. But doesn't matter, it will incident in different way, in different angle. But they will on extending, they will make a image behind the mirror, and of the distance you can say of same size, and the distance from the source will be also same. So this is your diagram of point object. You should know how to make a diagram of point object. Now let's take this object. Okay, this is also you are able to see the marker. The eye lens means the whatever the in mobile you are having these lenses, they are not this much absolute, or you can say the correct that your eye have. So yes, we will talk about the lens later. Okay, and I will show you lens also. So I am going to tell you about this. What?
Image will form in front of the mirror also, right? If the rays one side.
Behind the mirror, dear. here a candle
Yes.
behind the mirror.
That would be real image, no? It will be yes.
That will be,
Real image.
this is
This is
On
what
the other side.
this is virtual image.
On the other side, if it will coincide here.
On the other side,
If the rays will reflected rays will coincide on the other side, then it will be real now.
how? Please show me.
No, not in this case, but in
Acha, in other cases you are saying you will take concave mirror, convex mirror, yeah.
Then
Okay.
it has to come on this side.
Yes, yes.
Where it is being from, where it is.
Where it is, yes, where it is there, that where it is supposed to be formed. Now we will take this marker, okay? So I am keeping marker like this only. I am keeping markers in same way. This is your marker, a straight marker, okay? So what will happen here? Then light will reflect. Means it's possible that it will incident perpendicularly, then it will reflect it back perpendicularly. Because we know that. And what will be the angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Zero. Because because angle of incidence is what? The angle formed between the normal and the incidence. And normal is also there and incidence is also there. Okay, so there is no angle. Zero angle is there, that's why. So it will reflect it back. So I should make a dark line, okay, because we are extending. This will be the extended ray. Now light can fall like this also. Yes, it can fall. Angle I, angle R. Now I am extending. So I got cap image I got. Okay, cap image I got. Same. Fine, cap image we got. This will happen to each and every point. That's why you are able to see this marker both. Okay, this reflection is you can say going on each and every point. Now now we will see the bottom part. So in bottom part also I am just sending here perpendicular means normally. Now it will reflect here. One light can be reflected here. See, now it become perfect. I draw perfectly. So this is your image of the object. Okay, this is O dash. So you can see here that the object is of same size. It's not like that. Size is increased. Okay, and the distance is also same. Distance is also same. So these are the image. But what happens if I will keep marker slightly like this? So that also we can make image formation.
That perpendicular line will not coincide with itself.
Perpendicular line will hit this point and it will reflect it back like that.
Ma'am, it will coincide with itself only, no?
How? Obviously it is coinciding. That's why
It should form real image, no? There.
Where?
Because it is coinciding with itself.
See, coincide. You know these images. One thing I want to tell you. Please tell me this.
It has to be between different places.
Yes.
What is this? What's going on? Meeting at one point? Diverging?
No,
Converging. Okay, these are converging rays. What are diverging rays?
Same cube. Okay.
Diverging rays. These are diverging rays. These are converging rays. Okay, so when concave is known as which type of mirror? Converging or diverging? Converging. So converging rays, when they are coming and meeting at one point, they formally made real image, virtual real image. And diverging, when they are going away from the point, they are going away, we are extending, so they will form virtual image. Got this point? So if you will keep your marker like this, then what will happen? Your conclusion will become clear when you will study about all the types of mirror. So what will happen here? No problem, we can make image. Now this is. So you can make perpendicularly, you can light can incident on this point also. Doesn't matter dear. Like you can see here how I am making. I hope so you are getting how I am making. Roughly how I am making. Okay. One ray we extended here. Now another ray also we can expand here. It is incident suppose on this point and then it is reflecting there. Okay, it is reflecting there and we got this point. That is A dash. Now it's come to the turn of B. Can anyone complete this image? Come on, what is that? Done nothing, just what you have to do. Just you see this the distance first. is supposed to be here. Okay. Now from this to any point you can send. If you send incident ray, it will reflect it there. Okay. Aksar, can you complete this diagram? Come.